You know, video making skill is very important to share your knowledge as a digital coach. But what is that product you need not to just share your knowledge but give an amazing experience to your students? Let me share you that. You already know based on the thumbnail you saw, but I want to keep that suspense here till I show you that product in my hand right now. The package is delivered today only, and now I'm going to open it for you. Let me open like this. Let's do it fast. Wow. Apple Pencil and also iPad. Let's keep this aside and let's open this one. Whoa. Look at this new iPad. Wow, the kind of premium feeling I'm getting with this is amazing, yaar. The slim look, silver and white one, I really love this color. It's looking like fresh, isn't it? What we have with this, designed by Apple. Okay, I will not open this, it's not important for us. We have charger, adapter and cable. Okay, after this we have pencil. Let's open this. Premium, and it's like heavy and strong. Wow. Now let's keep like this. So this is the iPad I have right now, and this is one of the powerful tool I'm talking about when you want to give an amazing experience to your student as a digital coach. I'm talking about scaling, okay? Even if you're just starting right now, I will not recommend you to upgrade yourself with this kind of devices. Let's say I have this MacBook Pro right now, 16-inch. I invested around 2 lakh rupees for that, and this one is right now the iPad, okay? So with pencil, I think I invested 40,000 rupees for the iPad and the pencil. So if you think, yes, you are generating money through your digital coaching business, and that's why I want you to invest in yourself first and then invest in these things to give better experience. If you don't invest in yourself, you don't have a knowledge to give to your students. Let's say you are investing enough in yourself, you learn a lot, now you are good at sharing your knowledge and you already started teaching people, and now you want to give them better experience of your knowledge, then you can draw things here and directly share this screen of iPad on a Zoom, on a Google Meet, whatever platform you are using, you can share this. You can also record videos and record a screen inside this iPad, and whatever you're writing, you can share that. So first time I'm opening this, so let's see. Here is a button on the top. Let me switch on. Whoa, you're the first one to see right now. Now let me see the Apple one. Once I got this, let's try this. And I'm not gonna see, first you guys are gonna see if it is going to open. Open ho ja bhai. Wow. MacBook Pro 16-inch. I started loving Apple product. The reason is the kind of quality, the kind of experience you get is amazing. Obviously, that's why your audience will also get amazing experience. So let me set up this, and then also I will activate this pencil as well. And I'm super duper excited to give an amazing experience to my audience by sharing my knowledge using iPad. This is, I think, 10-inch plus around, and 8th generation, the latest one. I didn't learn a lot about the specifications to tell you, but I just thought to share that this is the tool I think you should use. Okay, press home button to open. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad, so it's getting ready now. I am excited. Wow. Continue. Touch ID. Set up your touch ID. Create your password. Apple ID. Hey Siri, send a message.
It looks like you haven't set up iMessage yet. Who do you want to send it to?
Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
It's currently clear and 31 degrees.
So finally I'm inside the iPad right now. Look at this, how beautiful it's looking. Wow. So here is a big message for you. If you are starting right now and are thinking, wow, you're asking your parents or you're asking yourself and you're saying like, unless or until I don't have iPad or MacBook or high quality devices, I can't become a digital coach, I will not be able to start, and you are just waiting for that perfect moment. Please don't do that. That is not my message, my friend. My message is to tell you, you should upgrade yourself and also your equipments to give an amazing experience to your students. And if you want to see in a starting, I started with this mobile. Can you see this? 5 to 6,000 rupees MI mobile. Exactly, mobile like screen was crashed and even left side was not working. I used it for 2 years. I used to make videos on the same mobile. I used to edit videos on a same mobile. I used to go live on Facebook on a same mobile. Okay, so please start yourself right now and you can see the change. Okay, you can see the change. Your life will change. By the way, the camera looking same. Okay, so just to a joke, the camera looking same, but look at the device. Look at this MacBook Pro. So please start today. Start working on your skills. Build your knowledge. Have a mentor in your life, and then you can upgrade your devices. First upgrade yourself. If you are the person who think, where should I learn Purushottam? I want to become digital coach, but where should I learn? So simply just click the link from the description where I am going to teach you how you can become digital coach in this 4-hour live workshop, which is called Coach Easily workshop. Even if you don't have clarity in which area you should launch your digital course, I am going to teach you in a first hour itself what is your micro niche clarity for your business. I will teach you that. If you are the person who is not at all comfortable and natural in front of camera, I will also teach you that. Learn how to make videos with 100% confidence for creating digital courses. If you don't get 100% confidence in that workshop itself, I will refund your money, whatever you're going to invest. By the way, you're going to invest only I will not even tell that amount because you're going to see and you will be surprised. But what I can tell you is less than a movie ticket, my friend. Go ahead, grab the ticket right now. You will also learn in a 3rd hour understanding digital course creation strategies. In a 4th hour, you will also learn how to sell through webinars, because unless and until you don't sell your program and courses, to how you will get more students and how you can upgrade your devices as well, and how can you reach more and more people if you don't learn how to sell, because selling is all about serving. Right now also I am giving you all this knowledge, and also I'm giving you opportunity to learn. That means what I'm doing, I'm serving. I'm not just selling you the ticket of the workshop. It's just 99 rupees, my friend. Oh, I just told you the price. It's just 99 rupees, but the 99 rupees is just a ticket of your seriousness. By getting your 99 rupees, I'm not gonna build that fortune. Okay, so just go ahead, invest in yourself and be there for 4 hours being serious, and definitely will learn. All the best, and I'm looking forward that you will upgrade yourself first, and then also you will upgrade your devices. And I will highly recommend you to start using Apple devices. Once you having more than, let's say, 200-300 students, you should start upgrading your devices, because if you want to scale, if you want to reach more people, and based on only what kind of experience you are giving, people will learn and love to learn more from you. All the best. And if you are here for the first time, hi guys, my name is Purushottam Hambarde. I have been helping thousands of people to master their video making skill and monetize their knowledge by launching their digital courses. If you are that person who wants to learn about it, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon because you're going to get this kind of valuable videos, more valuable than this. This was just to tell you that this is what I upgraded, and also you can do, because there are a lot of my students who have been achieving lakhs of rupees of results. So for them, this video is there to scale so that they can upgrade their devices. Okay, so click that bell icon so that you will get a notification for my upcoming videos. Lots of love. You can watch some interviews I'm doing in a Coach Easily show. If you are a person who want to start becoming digital coach, I have already launched that playlist. You can see here or here, the playlist is there where you can watch the interviews of the legends in digital coaching business. Let's say example Siddharth Rashikar or Digital Pratik or Dev Gadvi. A lot of people are coming right now. Rahul Bhatnagar, Saurabh Bhatnagar. A lot of people will join there. You will learn a lot from them. So make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.